Hi friends, here is a pretty straightforward problem. Here we are given A and B can do together a piece of work in 2 days. B and C can do together in 4 days. A and C can do together in 12 by 5 days. What is their individual capacity? A can do in how many days alone, or B can do, or C can do alone in how many days? Right. So let's assume A takes small a days to complete this given work. That means each day he will complete 1 by a amount of work. For example, if A takes 10 days, each day he will complete 1 by 10th of work. In 5 days, he will complete 5 times 1 by 10, which is equal to half of the work. In 10 days, he will complete 10 times 1 by 10 equals 1, which means the whole of the work. Right. So if you take A, B, C can do in A, B, C, small A, B, C, D days, then in 2 days, A will do 2 times 1 by A, and 2 days, B will do 2 times 1 by B. So together of this should be equal to the complete work, which is 1. Similarly, four days, and C will also work 4 days. Together they will finish the work. So 4 times 1 by B plus 4 times 1 by C should be equal to 1. Similarly, 12 by 5 days also. If A works 12 by 5 days and C also works 12 by 5 days, then also the work will be finished. So 12 by 5 times 1 by A plus 12 by 5 times 1 by C should be equal to 1, which is this. Right. Now what does that mean? 1 by A plus 1 by B is half. 1 by B plus 1 by C is 1 by 4. 1 by A plus 1 by C is 5 by 12. Let us just subtract the third one, the second one from the third one. Right. This 1 by C and 1 by C will get cancelled. 1 by A minus 1 by B will become 5 by 12 minus 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? Is actually 3 by 12. So we get 2 by 12, which is actually 1 by 6. Right. 1 by A minus 1 by B. Now this one and the first one. Let's add both of this. 3 plus 1. Then we'll be left with 2 by A equals 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Right. What is 1 by 2? It's actually 3 by 6. 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is 4 by 6, is nothing but 2 by 3. Right. 2 by A equals 2 by 3. What does that mean? A equals 3. What does this mean? A can alone do in 3 days. A alone can do in 3 days. Now, other B and C capacity also we can calculate likewise. We can just substitute this A in other in these other equations, then we'll get B and C. Right, guys? Thank you.